Good morning, and we do have a cyclone that is brewing off the Queensland coast, so let me take you through what the latest is on that. Now, this is from the Weather Bureau at 4 o'clock this morning. It is Monday. We're going to have a look at the Monday morning models, so let's go through it. Here we have, now here, 4 o'clock this morning, it's all the way out here. It's just a tropical low. It's expected to remain out there for quite some time and then come in as a Category 3 is the latest one they have here off the coast here, somewhere around the Townsville mark, and it's likely to be on Thursday. So let's go and take a look in through here. So the rain forecast, starting off with the weather map, there is our tropical low at the moment. We've got a trough that's running in through here. We've got high pressure down in here. There's a lot of activity that's coming down into the west, missing the southwest, and likely to move across through here. So let's have a look at the 8-day rain totals. Here is that another tropical low and moving down through Western Australia, missing the southwest, and then petering out as it moves across South Australia into Victoria. Whereas this is where all the action is in Queensland. Here is the cyclone coming in, arriving around Townsville, and then there are big questions on where it is likely to go after that. Is it heading down into the southeast or not? Let's go and have a look through, first of all, at the heat. So this here today, it's the Euro model. It is the end of Monday, so it's how much above average or below average is likely to be. So you can see a big area of heat across the west here, moving into central parts and into Queensland, and a ball of colder air that is across the southeast. Watch that disappear as we head through time. Here we are into the end of Tuesday. So starting to move away across the southeast, this heat building over South Australia, starting to knock on the western parts of Victoria's door, the western parts of New South Wales, continuing into these parts of Queensland. Heading into Wednesday, there is all of that heat, South Australia, the eastern states in through here. And then into Thursday, starting to move away from the southeast. The coast definitely has the change. It takes longer to move through inland parts there. And then into Friday, there we go, cold air, thanks to all of that rain that's coming through, spreading right across the south, but still heat to deal with in through here. So that's our heat. Let's have a look at our cyclone. So we've moved into Queensland here. Here is the low. We have a look at through, this is the time here, and it is Eastern daylight time, so 1 hour back for Queensland. All right, let's go through. Here we have during the day on Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sitting there out to sea, not affecting anyone. Here we go Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, it's building, but again, out to sea, not affecting anyone. Wednesday, this is when it starts to take a turn for the coast, moving in, really rapidly developing down to 983 by the end of Wednesday. Here we have Thursday. Let's watch closely. Here we are 5 a.m., 11 a.m., 5 p.m., and then 11 p.m. So there is our crossing during the afternoon on Thursday according to the Euro model. After that, where is it going to go? Let's watch Friday, 2, 3, 4. There we go, moving around over these inland parts. The coast takes a bit of a break, heading down into Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it heading back out? Moving into Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots of action moving down into the southeast. Then Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then into Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is something, it's going to be a ball of moisture that's going to stick with us, and it's going to dump some heavy rain on wherever that tropical low ends up moving. So as soon as it goes in from the coast, it weakens, but it keeps all of that moisture and it keeps up with all of that rain. Okay, let's have a look at another idea of where it's likely to go. So that was one of the weather models that we look at. Here we have the GFS. So this is the USA model. You'll notice it on janesweather.com. Here we are, out to sea, Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Into Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it starts to get interesting. Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, down to 976. Heading into Thursday, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there is that crossing just in through there during the afternoon on Thursday. So there's consensus amongst two of those models. Where does it head after that? Our big ball of moisture, our big ball of heavy rain, our big ball of flooding rain. Here we go into Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, similar sort of path. 1, 2, 3, 4 on Saturday, spreading out into the southeast. Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Monday, and then Tuesday. Okay, so as of yesterday and the day before, we had some idea that the cyclone was going to reform as it came out to sea. That is no longer on the models this morning. Instead, we've just got this big area of heavy rain that moves across these parts of Queensland that we do need to worry about. Okay, let's have a look at one more model. This is GEM, which is the one from Canada. And let me just move back to the start in through here. So here we have Monday and then Tuesday. Now Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. In previous days, this one was missing the coast completely. Let's see what it's doing this morning. Heading into Thursday. 1, 2, 3. Not reaching the coast yet. That's when the other ones were. 4. And then into Friday. There we go. It's got a crossing on Friday morning. So 8 has joined the bandwagon of let's cross the coast. So that's a good sign. We've got now consensus amongst the 3 models. This one is slower. But remember, this is the one that got on board last. So I'd be trusting this guidance the least. This is Canada. This is GEM. Watching where it's going as we go through the day on Friday. Moving out and through here into Saturday. There we go. Big mess. Sunday and Monday. Moving right down through here. And Tuesday, interesting, moving into New South Wales. Let's have a look at one more example here. Here is Access, which is the Australian guidance. Here we have it out to sea. This is the end of Tuesday, so you can see it sort of in through here, but up here as well. Right, so this is every 3 hours. Let's look through Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our rapid development as it moves towards the coast during the day on Wednesday. Okay, heading into Thursday. Here we are through the morning. There it is. And in the afternoon, 1, 2, early afternoon crossing, 3, 4. Right, so that is through Townsville area as well. So we do have consensus amongst the 4 models about where it is likely to cross the coast. It's around the Townsville mark. Now that doesn't mean direct hit on Townsville, but it's somewhere in that area. This is still about 3 to 4 days away. But we do at least have consensus from all 4 models that yes, it is likely to hit the coast and it's going to be around the Townsville area. Most likely to be during the afternoon hours of Thursday. Let's watch where this one goes. Here we have the Access model, which is Australia, and we're about to move into Friday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, heading in through here, this big ball of moisture, big ball of heavy rain and flooding. Moving in through here as we go through Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the actual center of that moving right down into the southeast. Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that would be very nasty. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is right around that southeastern corner, Brisbane down in through here. That is on Sunday. Let's move into Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're heading back inland again. Great. Heading in through the later days of Monday. And then Tuesday has it moving into New South Wales as well. So that is 2 weather models that do have it moving into New South Wales. The other 2 keep it up in the Queensland area. Right, so that's the latest guidance as of this morning. Keep up to date with this. I'll show you how. Head to janesweather.com. Here we have air, which is right near Townsville, but more of where we would like to take a direct hit there. We've got our heat today, and on Tuesday, heat. On a Wednesday, super heat. Then it changes. The cyclone comes in on Thursday. So here you can see the wind gusts increasing. We're up at the strongest level there, which is gale force and above. If we look down here at what the gusts are likely to be as we move through, notice they are southeasterly winds and then they are northeasterly as that cyclone moves through. So watching here, they'll jump up rapidly. Here we go, up and above 135, moving in, and then weakening as that moves away, but still up around the 60 to 70 k's an hour. So this is when it's likely to cross in through there, and then rain to continue after that. 23 to 155, 8 to 63 millimetres, up to 53 millimetres on Saturday. So a lot of wet weather to come in. Let's have a look down at Brisbane and see what's happening there. Here is the heat of today. And then we've got the winds turning southeasterly, so no more heat in this part. We're back into the high 20s by Tuesday. And into Wednesday, Thursday, great. This is when it starts to come in. I'm just going to move this one out of the way. And we're looking at 4 to 45 on Saturday, 29 to 78 on Sunday, up to 91 on Monday. So that's when the action is likely to be in through these parts, starting in the afternoon, almost on Saturday, late morning, moving through and continuing in. So if you're in Brisbane, that is across the weekend into early next week that we do have the threats for there. All right, that's it for the update from me for today. Head to janesweather.com for the latest information and keep an eye on the Bureau's track map that'll update every 6 hours and then every 3 hours as it nears the coast. But it looks like Thursday afternoon at this stage is where it's likely to cross and near Townsville.